Good morning. Topic for today is trig ratios for special angles, again on a circle. In order to do that, we will need each of these 4 bullet points. The last one is kind of the key. At first, it seems like this is a lot to memorize. It's really not so bad. The special angles are just variations of 30 degrees or 45 degrees. So 30, 60, 90, keep adding 30, 120, and so forth. Or 45, another 45 makes 90, another 45 makes 135, and so forth and so on. Where's the point for each special angle? For the 45 degree types, it's in the middle of each quadrant. So there's one, it's in the middle of this first quadrant. There's the second, the third, and the fourth. Also notice that for each of these, the x-coordinate is the same as the y-coordinate. The x-coordinate is the same as the y-coordinate within a plus or a minus sign. To get the 30 degree type angles, I look in the middle of the axis. Here's the middle of the axis. There's one point, there's another point. Here's the middle of the axis. There's one point. There's another point. They both have a x-coordinate of -1/2. All right, let's see if we can do this for ourselves. Middle of the quadrant for the 45s. I like to do 45s first. Boom. Middle of the second quadrant, third, and fourth, and I've got my 45s. Middle of the axis for the 30 degree types. There's the middle, 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 middle. I go up from the middle, there's one, down from the middle, there's another. To get the coordinates, we'll use symmetry. They're either going to be 1/2 and √3/2, or they're going to be √2/2 for the 45 degree types. So for example, this point right here, it's a 45 degree type. The x-coordinate is negative, and so is the y-coordinate, so it would be that. This point here, it's a 30 degree type. I can see that the x-coordinate is -1/2, means the y-coordinate is going to be the √3/2 type, and it's clearly a positive y-coordinate. Pick one more point. I'll pick this one right here. Again, it's always going to be 1/2 and √3/2 if it's a 30 degree type. It's going to be √2/2 if it's a 45 degree type. And this is a 45 degree type. The x-coordinate is clearly positive, so √2/2. The y-coordinate is clearly negative, negative √2/2. And we are all set. So key is, if it's a 30 degree angle, coordinates are going to be those two. Makes sense of whether it be positive or negative and which one's a half. If it's a 45 degree angle, coordinates are going to involve the √2/2.